In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apple Pencil on Notion. We'll set up a simple whiteboard that lives right inside your Notion page so you can sketch with your Apple Pencil on iPad and keep those drawings synced across desktop and mobile. Start on your browser and head to excalidraw.com. Excalidraw is a free web-based whiteboard, and it works beautifully inside Notion. When the site opens, you'll land on a blank canvas. Go ahead and jot anything down. A quick line, a word, even a tiny doodle. That first mark creates a drawing for you and gives it a unique URL behind the scenes, which is exactly what we need for the embed. Next, look to the top right and click Share. You'll see the link for your whiteboard. Copy that URL to your clipboard. We're about to drop it into Notion. Now, switch over to your Notion page. In the body of the page, type /excalidraw and press Enter. This adds an Excalidraw embed block to your page. When the block appears, paste the link you just copied and press Enter again. In a moment, the whiteboard will load right inside Notion. From here, you can draw directly in the embed. On an iPad, pick up your Apple Pencil and start sketching. Your strokes appear instantly. On a computer or phone, you can use touch or a mouse. You can also resize the block in Notion to give yourself more room by dragging the edges. And if you prefer a cleaner view, open the page in full width. The best part is that this whiteboard travels with your page. Any device where you open this Notion page, your laptop or your phone, will show the same canvas, ready for you to keep drawing. Edits sync through the shared Excalidraw link, so your notes, diagrams, or brainstorms stay in one place. A couple of quick tips for smooth drawing. Make a quick mark first to ensure the unique link is created, and keep that link handy if you ever want to reuse the same board elsewhere in Notion. Also, remember that anyone with access to your Notion page can see and edit the embedded board, so share appropriately. And there you go. You visited Excalidraw, copied your unique link, embedded it in Notion with /excalidraw, and now you can use your Apple Pencil to draw directly on your Notion pages across all your devices.